Hello everyone, Louis here from Cwicly. I'd like to give you a brief introduction to the Gutenberg Editor and the Cwicly Starter theme. The Starter theme is there to guide you as to how Gutenberg and Cwicly work together. So let's get right into it. Here we are in the WordPress dashboard. Let's head over to the Gutenberg Site Editor. With the Starter theme installed, the Site Editor will open the front page template by default. Here, you can always tell where you are and the template you are editing. The drop-down will give you a bit more information. We can access all the templates by clicking on Browse Templates. This opens the sidebar navigation that gives you access to templates and template parts. You can edit your whole website without leaving this space. You can see that the Cwicly Starter theme comes with a few predefined templates to get you going. Before going any further, we need to talk about how Cwicly deals with header navigations for smaller screen sizes. As you can imagine, when you go from big screens to smaller screens, you have to readjust the content so that the important things don't get lost. Here we are in the header. You won't see this, what we call a modal block, on your actual page, because it is hidden off canvas and only revealed when triggered by an action such as a click on a button, a timer, a day of the week. It is visible in the editor, so you can adjust anything. But you don't need to see it when you're editing other things. It can get in the way. So let's hide it by going into the Gutenberg tools and options and hide or show all the Cwicly modals. By default, modals are always visible when accessing the editor. Now our front page in the editor looks like what we see on the website. Most pages include the header, the main content, and the footer. The header usually holds your logo and navigation links. The footer, which, as its name suggests, is at the bottom of the page, contains all sorts of useful information about the company, copyright details, contact information, etc. The main content holds everything else. While the main content part changes all the time throughout your website, the header and footer usually stay the same. For the parts that you want to be the same throughout the website, such as the header and the footer, template parts are the perfect solution. They allow you to create global blocks that can be applied to multiple pages but modified in a single place. The beauty of the Gutenberg Site Editor is that you can modify template parts directly on the page without always having to go to its dedicated editor. This means that you can see how the changes to the template part affect the whole page without wasting time going backwards and forwards over and over again. When I modify the color for this paragraph, that change is applied instantly and everywhere. Template parts are not just for headers and footers, but can be anything as simple as a section, a call to action, or any other group of blocks that you want to repeat around your website. To create new ones, head over to your WordPress dashboard and select Template Parts. Let's add a new one and save it. Let's head back to the Site Editor and add it to my front page. Choose Existing, My First Template Part. As we said earlier, I can either style this here or head over to the Template Parts menu where my custom template parts are stored in the General section. A quick reminder about templates. They give different styles to different pages. They are modular, reusable, and used to generate the web pages on your website. Most websites have a front page template, a single post template, a category template, a page template, an error page template, and a default page if no specific template is called for. In Gutenberg, this is the index page. You can browse all templates by toggling the navigation. If you want to add, say, a page template, click on the Add Template icon and select the desired template, page in our case. This opens a new template that duplicates the layout of your index, which is usually relatively neutral since it is the default template. You can also create custom templates that you can apply to specific posts, pages, or custom posts. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to Templates. Click on Add New and create your custom template. Save it. You can now apply this template to any single element such as a page or a post by selecting it in the template selector on your post's page. You can also create templates based on the WordPress template hierarchy, but this is beyond the scope of this general introduction. Thank you for joining me for this brief overview of the Gutenberg Site Editor. I hope you find it useful and helpful. We will be putting together a whole library of detailed videos and documentation to help you get to where you want your website to be: unique, attractive, and productive. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to share your creations with us. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.